afternoon, bros.
Afternoon.
Bros, I better go Bode Thomas Street, number 7.
Ah. Bode Thomas, but number 7.
Yes.
Ah, okay, that place far. It's far.
But they say they close.
Eh?
My uncle say they close.
Why your uncle no go carry you? If na this area. Eh? You new for this Lagos?
I just enter Lagos like this. Now my first time to enter Lagos with this.
You know you no road to the place at all?
No road.
Okay, you give us 7,000 naira.
How much you call her?
7K.
7,000! I enter bus from Benin to Lagos. I pass like 17 river. I pay 1,500. I enter from Lagos to Lagos. Make I pay 7,000.
Ah.
Wait. I'll give you 5,000, bros.
Okay, last price I have to go that place now 6,500 before you be like kidnapper.
Bros, I'll give you 6,000. Oh yeah, wait. Open back.
Now back you want to sit down.
You know how much I pay? 6,500. Now me get this motor for today.
Now yeah, they worry you. You want now you buy the car? Because you pay on 6,500. That's what they do once when I just get small money like this. When I go the pride go just the enter. Rubbish. This is are they happy to be taxi driver. And they forbid to be your president for this country. Well done. Which side you go, Oga? Good afternoon.
Please, I'm going to Bode Thomas Street.
Ah? Bode Thomas.
Yes, the house I'm going to is an upstory building.
Okay.
The gate is black. They said it's the only black gate in that area.
Now 7,000. No?
How much I take from Delta reach Lagos? 2,500. Now you they say from Mr. Lagos within Lagos 7,000 naira. How much you carry me last?
Okay, now 6,500.
Driver, for this economy.
Bros, I beg. If you won't go, enter motor mode they go. Also, now we can be all this pricing now.
Okay, my passenger, I carry passenger.
Okay, give me 4,500.
No, I need to go for 5. Now, no see, don't bring 6K. More no just waste time.
Bros, you hear what talk?
Bros, I beg. Shey we fit do more they go. Time they go.
Okay. Now this your passenger now. Now just made you matter the time now. So now I need to carry people for road though.
Okay, driver. I'm gonna give you 5,500. I beg. Okay, driver, don't worry, 6,000.
Oh yeah, enter. Time no day.
Who's the? Driver, open door now. Who's the? Who be this guy? I pay.
Who you be?
How much you pay?
I pay 6,500 for this back seat. This today, now me go sit down for this back seat. Nobody go sit down.
How be 6K me they pay so?
Oga, go sit down for front.
Oga, how you open it? Is it your car?
You dey crazy?
Is that?
Okay, enter motor make we go.
You dey cost me happy? Hey! I'm a bender. Oga, all this thing. You say who they kill me? You say who they kill me? For this Lagos, they go know who I be. You they cost me. You they cost me. Where that guy, Oga shit?
Wait, not vex. But see, go sit down for front.
No, but you get locked, I don't repent oh.
Bros, I beg, just enter mode go. My fuel dey waste. I beg.
It cost me.
Leave am. Now this one, now ye woman be na be.
Get lost.
We don't dey quarrel since so this one.
Never, you don't get lost. I did good mood today oh.
I beg, hold your bag. Wetin dey? You dey carry? Wetin dey carry beside this bag like this oh?
Not concern you. I better open the front seat.
I want you open front seat for
open this door. The money I pay. Bro, you dey cost me, abi? so Lagos, you're fine. Lagos fine, oh. Wow. Never is the family. Okay, you suffering now?
I bet you just sit bet. That's when I would just come from village. I don't know say sit bet. Now for your own safety, for your own life.
Who come from village?
If road safety don't tell you say now
Who come from village? I hope you're talking to that guy at the back.
Okay. We know the reach where we they go.
Bro, shift now. My quarter be this. You dey near me they talk shift. Good. Ask your question again.
Sir, are we close to where I'm going to, sir?
Sorry, sir. It's not far again.
Phone, are we close to where we are going to, sir? You new for Lagos, so we're close to where we are going to, sir. Driver, have fun now. You get driver.
Driver.
Sir?
Please, can I ease myself, please? I want to piss.
Driver, not stop on. I'm about on. So they do. They'll tell you, can I ease myself? Please stop.
Please, I don't mind him. I want to piss, sir.
Okay, wait. This place is not good.
That's what they tell us that day.
Let me park well.
Okay, go where human being many. No, I don't like this lane. It's too quiet.
Let me park close to
sir, please. I want to piss. Can I piss?
Let me enter the street here. Don't worry.
Please.
People gather here. You feel park here. People gather here.
Okay.
Before you rub me, see here for head. Be like cat.
Okay, you can go and wee. No problem.
Thank you.
Okay, see, no waste our time, oh.
Shut up, which time did you have?
You go touch me again. No man now. Where you saying for come?
Okay, if you no talk, you go die.
As I dey talk, say you dey enjoy, I not sweet you.
Just shut up for once. Now because of sisters and what you pay, make
this guy will come, I come now.
Oh,
but you go piss, I'll be waiting.
What's your problem, young man? What be your problem?
Don't take how many hours to piss.
What is your problem?
Now they touch my seat now. Man, fine girls did this Lagos. For those Ghana girls, we get everything.
Woman!
Yeah. I know what you gotta do. Babes, very serious. Don't use my time, one shit. Driver. One shit.
You want to do what?
Oh, but you dey touch my seat now. I paid 6K. Remove your hand.
What do you say you want to do?
You want to do what?
I want shit.
God. Driver. You want to shit, but driver, can you go and drop me, please?
Father, I woke up this morning and I prayed for good passengers. God, why did you give me all these kind of passengers?
Una will let me go outside, go do it I want to do, or man remain here, move die for mess.
You are a mumu man. Okay, my park where I beg.
Good. Hey guy, so they talk beefs for this area. Good.
Oh yeah, I gotta come down.
But you get toilet roll.
Okay, no get. Come down.
I get water to wash after you. I better driver, give me your number in case you run. I bet where I feel do the thing this area, everywhere yours. Wait, I'm not trust this guy. This is my bag.
If you shoot for person land, now Lagos be this.
Yeah. I bet I don't trust this guy. Let me dey look this bag.
No wala, just go.
Give me your phone, money for no run. Now hold your phone.
Driver.
Young man.
It's over 30 minutes. This guy said he wants to go and shit. Up till now, the shitter have not shit.
Oga, na me dey shit the shit.
Mo leave am.
Why? You only carry my phone, ma leave am. How much phone you carry for there so just that so?
You carry your phone, come
yes, sir.
Alright.
I mean, I never do this kind of work before. Where we say, I don't dey carry people for this Lagos show. And they see people they forget their document for some motor. I they carry people, better people. They even dash me money. So they work so. What is not because me and my wife quarrel today? I would make all this thing happen. So they just scatter. Now since I take pick you, now you play test start. Hey, don't come.
Thank God.
Open and come inside, my friend.
I be a driver.
Can we go?
I never finished. You get newspaper, one spread for ground.
You are a mumu man.
Sir, when you get home, you finish your shit. Let's go.
Wow. Oh boy. Oh boy, no shit, never man. Oh, I feel relieved.
Oga,
Bro, this place found.
no, we've gotten there. Now here, wanna come down.
Can I stop this?
Now here, wanna stop.
For two of us, I be.
Now two now. Where you go? Oga, bring my money now.
Wait. Oga. You mean say na this house I dey go?
Now here now.
And you carry me from that junction and this junction for carry me. Why you not tell me say na see where you dey go where they can patrol the whole Lagos?
Bro, wait. You know Lagos, all the houses resemble. If you be say you don't know where you really they go.
If no be one thing now, for some guy slap your head, eh?
You see they make me?
Go sit down there, bro. So you carry me walk out your Lagos, you waste my time and see where they go there.
Wait, driver, wait. No be that place you for carry me where that yellow caterpillar dey.
See where yellow caterpillar dey.
Una pay my money now. Which can't see what this guy wants now?
Wait,
I don't waste fuel.
Oh!
That yellow caterpillar now.
Not be me say man, I don't know where they go now.
Driver.
This is Lagos. When Mugu fall, can man go chop.
You think say they wise?
Give me my money, I beg. Pay me, quick.
Sorry, bro. Sorry.
Not follow you quarrel since.
Sorry for the quarreling.
Yeah. How much do they owe you?
Now 12.5 that they owe me.
12.5.
Run. Yeah.
And they never leave you. They have left you behind. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man. How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?